Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie alcohol. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for this delightful homemade spirit. You will need about 8 to 10 fresh, crisp apples, 1 liter of high-proof grain alcohol, and a selection of spices like cinnamon sticks, whole cloves, and star anise. Also, make sure you have a large, clean, airtight glass container ready for the infusion. Finally, prepare a simple syrup to sweeten your creation later. Now, let's prepare our ingredients for infusion. First, core and slice your 8 to 10 apples into thin pieces. There is no need to peel them, as the skin adds flavor and color. Next, gather your spices. About 4 to 6 cinnamon sticks, a tablespoon of whole cloves, and 3 or 4 star anise pods work wonderfully. Carefully place all the apple slices and the aromatic spices into your large, clean glass container. With your apples and spices in the container, it is time for the alcohol. Carefully pour 1 liter of high-proof grain alcohol over the mixture, ensuring everything is submerged. Seal the container tightly with its lid. Store this in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, for a minimum of 4 weeks. Remember to give the container a gentle shake every few days to help the flavors meld and infuse evenly. After 4 weeks, your apple pie alcohol is ready for the final steps. First, strain the infused liquid through a fine mesh sieve or several layers of cheesecloth to remove all solids. Next, prepare a simple syrup by dissolving 2 cups of sugar in 2 cups of hot water, then let it cool completely. Mix this syrup into your strained alcohol, adjusting the sweetness to your liking. Bottle your delicious creation and serve it chilled for a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.